Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn the difference between so and to. So is always followed by an adjective or adverb, not noun. So is also used with happy and completed statements. To is also followed by an adjective or adverb. To is used for negative expression and for sad or unhappy statement. It means when the statement is not completed or unhappy, then we use the word to. Now we see some examples. The test was blank, difficult, but he probably finished the test. Here he probably finished the test. So he was happy. Here we use so. The test was blank, difficult, that he couldn't finish the test. Now he couldn't finish the test. Now so far he was sad, unhappy. So here it comes to because the statement is unhappy. She is blank tall. She plays basketball. She plays basketball. So far she is happy because she is tall. She is so tall. She is blank tall. She can't get in taxi. She can't get in taxi. So far he is unhappy or sad. So here we use she is too tall. She is blank fast. Fast it means she is happy. So here it comes. She is so fast. Stop it. It's blank loud. It's loud. It's mean it's negative expression. With negative expressions we use to. Stop it. It's too loud. It's blank hot today. We can't go outside. We can't go outside. It means it's negative expression. So here it comes to. The mobile was blank expensive, but I bought it. I bought it. It shows that I was happy. So here it comes so. The mobile was so expensive, but I bought it. Hope you get it, guys. Thanks for watching.